How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in the state of Alabama.
Where do you live?
I live in Texas.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings.
Are you married?
I'm not.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I don't.
Why don't you have a boyfriend?
I just haven't met the right guy yet.
What do you do?
I teach English.
Do you like to teach English?
I love it.
How would you describe an ideal student?
I think someone who is very curious and very interested in learning new things all the time.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are exercise and reading books.
How often do you work out?
Oh, maybe 6 times a week.
What's your least favorite exercise?
Bulgarian split squats.
How much can you bench press?
I can bench press 40 kilograms.
How much can you squat?
I can squat 40 kilograms.
How much can you deadlift?
I can deadlift 60 kilograms conventional, 90 kilograms Romanian deadlift.
How do you motivate yourself?
I tell myself how good I will feel when I finish doing something difficult.
Can you show us your muscles?
Yes, I can.
Can you beat me at an arm wrestle?
I think I can.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
How often do you eat fast food?
Oh, maybe once every 2 months. Not often.
Do you have any enemies?
No, I don't.
What university did you go to?
I went to Vanderbilt University in Nashville, Tennessee.
Is that a good university?
Many people thinks it's a good university. I think it is.
What was your major in university?
It was English literature and my master's is in poetry.
What kind of poetry do you like to write?
I like to write formal poetry, like sonnets and villanelles. Poetry with rhyme.
What poem do you think everyone should read?
I think everyone should read. I think everyone should read Kubla Khan by Samuel Taylor Coleridge.
What's the last book you read?
The last book I read was Daring Greatly by Brené Brown.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Korean.
Do you consider yourself fluent in Korean?
Yes, I do, yes.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I ate boiled eggs and cashews.
Are you beautiful?
My mother thinks I am beautiful.
Are you camera shy?
No, I'm not.
How often do you take a selfie?
Several times a day.
Do you like to use social media?
I do.
What's your Instagram handle?
At better_English for you at Instagram.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 5 a.m.
What are you doing now?
I'm dancing.
What are you going to do tonight?
I'm going to meet my friends.
What did you do last night?
Last night, I spent time with my friend and her dog.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm going to read books.
How do you relieve your stress?
I exercise a lot, and I like to go on long walks.
What parts of your body have you pierced?
Only my ears.
Do you have a birthmark?
I do dot on my neck.
What is a unique talent you have?
I can catch bees and wasps in my hands. I'm not afraid of stinging insects. So if I find a bee or wasp, I can catch it and release it.
What's your nickname?
My nickname is Tiger.
What's your best feature?
My best feature is my smile.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Thailand.
Where would you like to go on a future vacation?
Portugal. I want to learn surfing in Portugal.
How long does it take for you to get to work?
It takes maybe 20 minutes.
How do you get to work?
I drive a car to work.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Do you like kids?
I love kids.
What do you like to do on rainy days?
On rainy days, I like to watch TV and read books.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
I do have a YouTube channel.
What's your channel name?
My channel name is This Is Better English for You.
Do you judge a book by its cover?
I do.
When was the last time you cried?
Maybe 2 days ago.
What is the best dish you can cook?
The best dish I can cook is scrambled eggs.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I do. I play piano.